if you are horse riding right now and you've lost all confidence, I just want you to know to push through, bear with it, because when you go on to the other side and find your confidence, it is so exciting and you are going to have the best time. And I think just the biggest takeaways from it is just let it take time and trust the process. It's okay to be a little bit nervous. It's okay to lose your confidence. And yeah, just know that it will eventually come back and you will find the excitement for it again, because I know I have.